as a beginner how to push code and how to create a repo, and from a repo we how to create and store our codes in the GitHub in a proper way. And first we have to know that how a repo works and how we can access repo. For that we have to log into our GitHub account. For that we must have an account in GitHub. If you don't have any account, you can go on github.com and you can sign up and then log in. After that, you can click on create this plus button. After here, you can click on new repository. So I have done many projects and I have already pushed many codes. So it is suggesting like this. So you can write here as your project, and you can write details related to your project here, and choose your visibility. Public means anyone can see, and private means you can choose who can see and who can except you who cannot see. And depending upon your work privacy, you will select this. And readme.md is used to structure and give details about your project. After that, you can click on, after making it on, you can click on create repository. So after this, we will go on click on the code, and in the HTTPS, we will copy this code. After this, we will make a new project. Uh, Pushed to VS Code. So you can choose terminal from here if you are using VS Code. I'll select Git from command prompt, and using CD we can go inside the folder. So I will select rename ctrl plus C, ctrl plus V. So after this you can use write a program. For example, I am writing help.js. I want to push a JavaScript file from my local to GitHub. So what I will do is uh, write a code. I will write a code to generate a number, random numbers. Function generate number. I will pass the numbers. Then using the for loop, plus loop, random up to how many number you want to generate. I can store this in an array named variable, or you can make it variable, and we can return the variable ARR. This is what my code looks like. Then after this, even if you have folder, it does not matter. After this, you will write git init command. Init means initialize. It initialize an empty git repository uh, in your folder. Then we can use command git git add dot, which add all files to the staging area. we can also use git add and specific file name dot it extension. So it will be specific and it will choose the specific file. After this it is added, we can check the status. So we have added help file, means help.js is newly going to be added. It is on stage. So we will write git commit -m and some message that will be displayed on our repo. We'll write initial commit. Then we will write git remote add origin. So here this lines means we will link our local repository to the GitHub repository that you are created in the first while creating a repo. So we will get the link from here, HTTPS. So we'll on the side there is a click button. You can click on it, and from that we can paste on it and entering it. Our remote repository is named as origin. After this, we can rename our branch using git branch -m. We can also can push it to our GitHub. For example, we push origin main. So it shows that updates were rejected because the remote contents were that we don't have locally, and I push into another. So we have another repo present here. So what we will do is git pull. Basically, the last step is git push origin me. After this, it does not show error. If it shows error, then you can do like this. So it is showing refuse to more zero. So after in this case, you will write git pull origin main hello related stories. So I think I have written the wrong command. So I have written left space here, so it will work now. After this, you have to click on the escape button, then shift plus semicolon WQ. After that, you can write git push origin main. It happened because it created a readme.md where we can store data. Like we have stored your project in description. If you want to, if we have written anything in the description, it will be shown on the repository. But readme.md we have created on button, so making changes here will be appear there too. So we will check here is that help.js is present here or not. So look, help.js is present here. So readme.md your project is written here. So we can write hi, this is my first repo. So in this case, we can check is there anything to be pushed in our command repository. So git status. So it shows that we have modified readme.md. We will add the command git add. Then we will write git commit and write what we have changed. Changed readme. And it says that one file is changed, to insertion, one deletion happened, and then we can write git push origin main. So it push is already done. So let's see. So first we had your project only. After the reload, you can see that the changes appears in our report too, and help.js is present here too. And another way we can push our code to our repository is that we can directly add our files, like, and we can create new files here, and we can upload files directly from here. We can choose files, and from here, from previous data, we can select all these, and we can write something about it, like tried, trial, and commit. So I think some issues, sorry, due to some issues, what's so I'm going to reload it. We can add file, load file, choose file, choose your files. For example, we want to add this all. Add select all, open. We have to wait until it is uploaded. We can add trial 2. Everything is uploaded. We can commit changes, and you can see that we have first trial, first uploaded it, and trial 2 is means we had uploaded this trial to data everything on here. Not data exactly, the file name is same, so it is showing that trial 2 is also been committed in our GitHub. So this is the steps to push our code from local to GitHub, or from GitHub to upload our data in GitHub.